Oh, hello class. Today we're going to be attending a field trip to Domino's to learn how to order a pizza in Cantonese. So, first word we're going to learn how to say is how to say pizza in Cantonese, which is bok, bang. First part of the word, bok, B-O-K, flat middle tone all the way through, bok. Second part of the word, bang, B-E-N-G, high tone, flat all the way through, bang. Take these two words, combine them together, and that's how you say pizza in Cantonese. Bok, bang. First thing we're gonna add on top of the pizza is we gotta drizzle some of that tomato sauce on top of the pizza. So how you say tomato sauce in Cantonese is phan ke trong. First part of the word, phan, F-A-A-N, flat middle tone all the way through, phan. Second part of the word, ke, K-E, high tone, flat all the way through, ke. Third word, zhong, Z-O-E-N-G, low tone on the decline, zhong. Take these three words, combine them together, and that's how you say tomato sauce in Cantonese. Phan ke trong. Alright, the third and final thing we're going to add on top of the pizza is we got to add the cheese. Now this word kind of sounds like cheese in English, so how you say it is Z-C. First part of the word, Z, Z-I, flat middle tone all the way through. Z. Second part of the word, C, S-I, low tone when you first start saying the word to high tone when you finish. C. Take these two words, combine them together, and that's how you say cheese in Cantonese. Z, C. Our class, we got an extra large pizza in the middle right here, and everyone can go grab a slice. And thank you for coming to class today. Your reward is a slice of pizza.